We are now on the third module of the CHT Interoperability course. On this module, we'll be focusing on the loss to follow-up workflow, where we'll just introduce this workflow and then jump into a showcase of the same. So just to start, we'll have an overview. The loss to follow-up workflow just describes a use case where a health facility is able to generate a list of patients who have not attended to their appointments, and that were made initially through the CHT. So this would mean that a community health worker would be expected to follow up on these patients that will now appear on the CHT as tasks, either physically through SMS or a phone call, and then update the same on the CHT. The objective of this module would be setting up an API testing tool. We'll be using Postman as the app, and then have an end-to-end walkthrough of the loss to follow-up workflow. So the key concepts here would include grasping that the data structure needs to be converted into a standardized JSON format for other systems to be able to actually consume it or read this data. That's the data exchange, the health information exchange. The components for this that are required include a file server, an OpenHIM mediator, a requesting system, and the CHT. The users for these interoperable systems include community health workers. That's on the community health toolkit, the CHT. We have healthcare givers on the requesting system, where we have the UI, and then system administrators that can access the file server or the OpenHIM mediator just to view the transaction logs. So here we have a loss to follow up sequence diagram. This just follows a patient who has missed an appointment. So we have the resources there. You see the resources here, including an endpoint resource, an organization resource, and then we follow the patient who's been created on the CHT. They did not go to the requesting system. That's an EMR in this case, and it's followed back all the way to the CHT, where a community health worker is able to complete this task, find the patient, complete this task, and maybe book an appointment. And this is taken back all the way to the requesting system through as an encounter resource, which we'll be seeing shortly. So we have a few screenshots here of the systems that we'll be looking at. You have the community health toolkit, that's the CHT. Here we on the people's tab. We also have the OpenHIM mediator, this is the admin console. On this page, we are actually on the transaction log, and you can actually note that the status for this transaction is actually successful, and you can see the resources here. That's the fire resources that we have. We have the counter here, we have the patient, we have a subscription, service request there as well. This is Postman. This will act as our requesting system, just an API testing tool. Yeah, we can just jump into the loss to follow-up showcase. Thank you.